I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest chicken tacos. These are baked, so there's hardly any cooking required, and best of all, you can use leftover rotisserie chicken or just buy one if you don't wanna cook your chicken. The kids love these. They're so quick and easy to make, one of the best 30-minute meals, and I'm craving some baked chicken tacos, so let's get started. You'll need about 2 cups of shredded chicken. This is so much easier with the fresh chicken. But I bought this yesterday. You'll need 2 small chicken breasts or 1 very large one. And you can use light meat or dark meat. Remove any skin and bones on your chicken, then transfer to a large mixing bowl and shred it with your hands or use 2 forks. If you're shredding a lot of chicken and making a bigger batch, the easiest way to do it is to put it into the bowl of your stand mixer, then shred it up with the paddle attachment. It literally takes a minute. Once your chicken is shredded, you'll need 1 can of Rotel tomatoes with green chilies. This is just the original flavor. You can get a spicier one if you prefer spicy tacos. Make sure you drain off the extra liquid, then add it to the chicken. Now add 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. You can use homemade, which I have a great recipe for this, or store-bought is fine. Next, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, and I found it's easier to get the most juice out of it if you roll it on the counter before cutting and juicing it. I'm so silly today. Out of control.
No comment.
Shush now, husband. Now stir all of that together and set it aside for the flavors to meld. Next, you'll need 10 to 12 small corn tortillas depending on their size. You can bake these on 2 regular baking sheets or 1 large 3/4 sheet if you have one. Spray both sides of the tortilla with oil and be generous because this does help the shell crisp up. If you don't have an oil sprayer, you can also brush with oil. I have been really loving the oil sprayer though. It's one of my favorite new tools for the year, and I will link to it in the recipe notes. Now sprinkle half of your Mexican shredded cheese over your tortillas. Next, divide the chicken filling evenly over the tortillas, and finally top with the rest of your cheese. That's my love language right here, the cheese. I should put cheese on my Christmas list, honey. That would make me happy. Finally, we're gonna bake uncovered for about 10 to 12 minutes in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, or until the cheese is melted and the edges are crisp and golden. Okay, literally. As soon as they come out of the oven, while they're still soft and pliable, use a spatula to quickly fold each one over. Folding them while they're still hot like this also helps prevent the shell from breaking. Okay, we have made our tacos and it is time to annihilate them. I am so hungry. My kitchen smells like a taco restaurant. And I'm keeping it simple here because really it's all about the taco. And I do want you to listen to something. Let me grab this little knife here and I want you to listen and hear it. That is crunch, my friends. So good. And remember, I oiled them so they got nice and crisp on the back and also on the edges. This is such a satisfying taco experience with like very minimal effort. You guys are gonna love it. And you can totally substitute what's inside with like cooked ground beef, like taco meat, cooked ground turkey with taco seasoning, ground chicken. Oh, beans. You can totally mix beans with taco seasoning. I've done that for like a vegetarian version of tacos. It's still really good protein, but so easy and way more affordable because the price of meats has gone up for sure. My kids loved it, which surprised me. Anyway, we're gonna build some tacos because I am craving these so badly. And I'm just using some lettuce. I've got some diced tomato. You can also use pico de gallo, which I have a really amazing authentic pico de gallo on my blog. I will link to that. If you have time, please make that. It's so good in these tacos. And then some fresh cilantro, of course. I do like a little sour cream on my taco to add a little bit of creaminess, and hot sauce. Whatever your favorite hot sauce is, go for it because I do like it spicy. Oh, and also a little fresh squeeze of lime juice is really nice. We're gonna build these and eat them. Where should we start? This one that kept opening. It's like, I'm leaving room for fillings and toppings. It was talking to me. I think that's what happened. A bug? We're not sure. It was organic lettuce, so it's very possible. You have to watch out sometimes. You do, it's true. I guess with any lettuce, right? Okay, so lettuce. I need a spoon. I didn't plan my tomatoes very good. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna use a scoopy. I wish they still sold these. OXO, please bring them back because they're such a cool little, fruit scoop is such a cool tool. Ooh, this is hot. I really should have gotten a plate. My hand is on fire, but it's totally worth it. And then we've got some cilantro. Look at that. It's already like so fresh and exciting. Honey, can you grab me a plate? That would be actually kind of nice. That's a humongous plate. Like a cuter one would be nice. There we go. Husbands, we have to train them, you know? Okay, we're gonna add some sour cream, just some dollops, and then some fresh lime juice. Remember, there's lime in the chicken already, so it just adds that little brightness that we love in tacos. And then we're gonna give this a shake, open it up one-handed, and then go ahead and douse your taco. I'm so happy right now. Tons of cheese, tons of protein. This is the ultimate lunch, and you can just serve them like this. Totally do it buffet style. Everybody can build their own taco the way that they love it, and then it's go time. Okay, which end do I start at? I love that this is staring back at me. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna do this now. Oh my, It's still crunching. Did you hear that? This is so good. No need to buy the crispy taco shells. It crisps up in the oven just fine. Oh, this makes my day right now. I'm like,
We should do a race, see how fast you can eat that taco.
How fast I can eat the taco. I literally do eat what I cook on the show, okay? Just because I take one bite doesn't mean that I continue to take more bites after it's over. I just don't want to put you through watching me eat the whole taco. Would you guys want to see me eat the whole taco? I guess let me know in the comments. Apparently my husband votes yes. We'll see. For next time, but this is so good. And then there's so much freshness from all of the veggie toppings that we have. Oh, you know what? I didn't get the bite of sour cream. I have to do another one. I have to do at least a second bite. Come on. Whoa. Oh my goodness. That's like my best friend right now. Finger looking good.
Can you taste the cilantro?
I taste the cilantro and I like it. He's just egging me on over there. Oh, this is so good. So good. I hope you guys totally love it. Let me know if you change it up in your kitchen and try a different protein or even the beans. Seriously, it works well. Let me know if you guys have any recipe requests, what recipes you'd like to see on our channel. And oh my giddy Aunt Sally, I forgot to tell you. If you guys need more dinner inspiration, check out my cookbook. It is loaded with easy, family-friendly dinners, and I literally make things out of my own book all the time. Like, it is my best friend in the kitchen. It's not just for show over there, okay? If you haven't ordered it already, I will leave a link in the notes. Also, let me know where you guys spotted Sharky. The first person to spot him in a live premiere will get a $100 gift card. I'm gonna go eat my taco. We'll see you on the next episode of Natasha's Kitchen. Like, seriously, tell me, do you guys want to see me eat the whole thing? Like, do you need proof? I feel like the proof is in the pudding a little bit. I have a little bit of pudding. Too far. Okay, bye now. Said too much.